Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. It's making your yellow teeth turn to white and brittle teeth. Just 4 ingredients to remove dental plaque and tooth decay. Whiten your teeth instantly. First, we need a grapefruit. It kills harmful bacteria and get rid of dead cells because it contains milk acids and enzyme that promote the production of saliva. It's a major component to remove discoloration. Now, cut the grapefruit and squeeze it into a clean bowl. That's so easy. 1 ingredient, 1 step. Then dip your toothbrush in the juice and brush your teeth for 1 minute. Dip your toothbrush again in the juice and continue brushing for 3 minutes. Do it gently to avoid causing injury to your gums. Oh, you don't want your teeth to bleed. Repeat this remedy twice a week for best results. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.